What are you just saying? Something about Fluffy? What? What are you saying about Fluffy? Huh? What? What? You wanna say something? Say something for the people. What? Come on, say something, Brandon. You wanna go play some football? Go play some football? Football? You love football! Football! You wanna play football? You're very taken by your image, aren't you? It's because you're such a handsome young man, right? You wanna go play some football? Come on, man. You made me seem crazy because you never said anything. What? You have a kiss? Oh, my kiss? A kiss for Aunt Maya. You talk to Fluffy? Fluffy's right there. See Fluffy over there? Fluffy, come over here. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Little Fluffy in the house. You talk to Fluffy? Nothing, huh?
Oh, Fluffy.
You love Fluffy? Fluffy loves you. You know that. And of course, Aunt Mai loves you. I think Mommy just got home. You wanna go downstairs? I think Mommy's downstairs. You wanna go downstairs? See Mommy? Or you wanna stay on camera? What do you think?
So Fluffy?
Fluffy's right there. This Fluffy's right there. Fluffy's right there.
Fluffy.
Fluff, Fluff. Come here, Fluff. Come on. Come on, Fluff. Get in on it. Get in. Get on it. Oh. Talk to Brandon. Here. Oh. You have something to say to Fluffy? Do you have something to say to Fluffy? Oh, Fluffy, I love you. Want to say something? Who's my favorite boy? Who's my favorite boy? Who's my favorite boy?
The boy's Fluffy.
Fluffy's a girl, so she's not my favorite boy.
Fluffy.
Fluffy. And Brandon.
My mommy.
My mommy or Aunt Mai or Maisha, as you've been calling me. What? What? What was that? Bye. We're gonna say goodbye because Mommy's home. Mommy just got here, so yes, good. Yes, good. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to you. Say bye. Bye. Bye, homie. Love you. Merry Christmas, somebody. Bye.